Today I want to introduce a research tool from CUSABIO. So this is CUSABIO website. We have the technical resource part, and here you can find research tools. In the research tools page, we offer different types of tools for your research. Today, I want to introduce this one, the Protein Physicochemical Parameter Calculator. So with this calculator, you can use this one to calculate the various physical chemical parameters, like the molecular weight, isoelectric point, amino acid composition. So all this will be convenient for your scientific research. So let me show you one example. So we have an example sequence that already here. And after I click this button, the calculate parameters, the calculation result shows up quickly. So the result told us that the total sequence the length is 232 amino acid, and the molecular weight has been calculated, and the isoelectric point prediction shows up, and we also have the composition result for each amino acid. We also have the chemical composition that shows up. So it's a very convenient result to quickly get these basic parameters. And another thing I want to remind you is that for here, you can change the tag. So previous is no tag, but if I change the tag from the option from no tag to flag tag, and I want to put it to the C terminal, then I calculate again, the result changed, and they will, the result refreshed. So sequence length changed, the isoelectric point calculated again, amino acid compositions can also refreshed. If you still have concerns about this calculator, in this page, we give you a very detailed instructions to guide you through this calculator. We also put the principles here. So with the principle, you can understand that how we calculate the molecular weight, how we predict the isoelectric point. And also some frequently asked questions, we also have the result here, like what is the isoelectric point, and how do I enter the multiple protein sequence. So hopefully with all this, you can be happy with this parameter calculator and use this physical chemical parameter calculator to help to facilitate your scientific research. Hopefully you enjoy it.